There's a moment every traveler knows. When you step into a new city, take that first deep breath of unfamiliar air and suddenly realize you've brought too much. Not just in your suitcase, though that's usually true, but in your mind. The what-ifs, the just-in-cases, the "but I might need this." Items that weigh us down more than any overstuffed bag ever could. As I prepare for my next adventure, I've been thinking about how the best trips aren't about perfect packing. They're about packing with purpose. Today, I want to share the system I've developed through years of trial and error, especially for us fabulous women who've earned the right to travel smart. These aren't hard rules, just what works for me. Take what resonates and leave the rest. The luggage struggle is real. We've all been that person wrestling an overstuffed carry-on onto the airport scale, silently praying it makes weight. My friend puts it perfectly. Traveling light isn't just about surviving check-in. It's about the freedom to move effortlessly through your destination. That moment when you breeze past the baggage carousel while others wait? Pure gold. My new philosophy. Pack what brings you joy, but make sure it doesn't weigh you down. Now let's talk about your travel sidekick, the bag that stays with you everywhere. My friend swears by secure RFID protected totes, and she's absolutely right about security. But my personal favorite is a humble waterproof crossbody that's become my mobile command center. It stays snug against me, with 3 clever compartments that hold my entire world. Emergency meds in tiny waterproof cases, a miniature family photo album for homesick moments, just enough local currency for taxis and tips, and those little luxuries that make delays bearable. A spritz of favorite perfume, a trusty lipstick, and of course the all-important phone cleaning cloth. My friend's advice is golden. Zippered bags beat open totes for security, decanting liquid saves TSA headaches and suitcase disasters, and small bills make everyday transactions smoother. I've added my own twists, like keeping my passport in a zippered cargo pocket and wearing a vintage locket with family photos. Because travel security shouldn't mean sacrificing sentiment. Here's the truth, no packing list will tell you. The lightest luggage isn't in your suitcase. It's in your mindset. When you stop packing for every possible scenario and start packing for the experience you actually want to have, that's when the magic happens. As I double-check my own, still slightly too heavy carry-on before my next trip, I'm reminding myself, the best journeys aren't about what you bring, but what you're free to discover when you're not weighed down. May your travels be light, your heart full, and your adventures exactly what you need them to be. Happy travels, my friends.